Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video doesn't really have anything to do about Corel in a way. Somebody contacted me and said that when they use the welcome screen, the text is so little they would like to make it bigger. Well, you can't really do anything inside of Windows because it's a welcome screen and all your tools are gone. And my welcome screen looks different than his because I'm running X19 and he's got 17. This is a settings in Windows. So to get to there, just get to the Windows screen and right click and go to display settings. I've got mine set on 100. Let's set it on 175 and look what it did. It made everything bigger. And it made my welcome screen. Now this yellow line is from my recording device, evidently being messed up. But this is, now the text on this is a lot bigger. I wouldn't suggest doing that because it will mess with, I mean, they say 125 is recommended. I keep mine on 100. And the reason for that is just I like the way that it looks in Corel. And you can always zoom in. So this wasn't a Corel help as far as, and I'm not a Windows expert, but my welcome screen. And the welcome screen is pretty cool. And I've done videos on how to turn that welcome screen off. But once you look through it and do some learning and go through these videos and little text scenario, you'll never use it again. It will bring up your files that you have and some other pretty neat adding shadows, just some different drawing deals that Corel's put out. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.